Hey guys, Chris Falcone here again, and this lesson we'll be going over the servo included with the Arduino kit. This particular servo is right here. It's got a wire or set of wires connected to it. There's a brown wire, a red wire, and then a yellow wire. And the yellow wire is the signal wire, which will take it'll take directions from the program and then apply them to the servo. The red wire is going to be attached to the 5-volt power source, and the brown wire is the ground. And included with this here, I have some parts that were included with the servo. So these are arms that can be attached to the top, so that you can kind of control what it's moving and where. There are some screws that I assume would help out with keeping this on, although I'm not entirely sure what they would be used for. I've got some color-coded wires here, red for 5 volts, black for ground, and yellow for signal. So once I put this together, I can attach yellow to yellow, and then red to red, and then black to black, or black to brown, really. Once that has been done, I can start putting these into the correct ports. And of course, the red will go into the 5-volt port, and the black will go into ground. And specifically for this one, the servo is going to get its directions from port 9. And now to show you more accurately how it's moving, I'm going to put this arm on top of the servo so that the motion is more visible. And since I've already pre-compiled this, as soon as I put in the signal wire, it should start moving. And as you can see, it is moving back and forth. And it's pretty regular in its motion. And so this would be useful in a pretty wide variety of applications. It has 180-degree motion capability. So if you wanted to have something move under certain conditions, you could probably program it to do so. There's a whole series of commands you can use to control the servo, and a lot of them are available on the Arduino reference website. So it's pretty neat, it's really interesting, and I imagine you could do a lot of really cool things with this particular component, considering how small and how fast it can move. Like that's pretty cool. But that about concludes it for this lesson.